Hi, it's Marnie Pedersen from the Getting You Home team at LePage Signature, and welcome to 4138 Powderhorn Crescent in the heart of Sawmill Valley. This beautiful home backing onto the nature trails features 2 fireplaces, 1 see-through to the dining room, 3 large bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 6-level backsplit, double-car garage, updated kitchen, and an incredible lifetime metal roof. You are not going to want to miss the opportunity to move into this excellent neighborhood, surrounded by nature, amenities like Credit Valley Hospital, University of Toronto, Mississauga, and all major highways. Come on in, take a look, and let's see what we have to offer today. For more information on this or any of our other listings, visit us at our YouTube channel at gettingyouhome.tv, on Instagram or Facebook. We are Getting You Home.